Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the Bitcoin update. But before going to look at that, if anyone want to join us, just simply go to wave-share.com, check the membership levels, and if looking for further information, just fill that form and send that to me. Okay, now let's look at the previous video analysis quickly to get the idea that what we were expecting and what has happened over there. Bitcoin is also setting up for that breakout. Okay, so I'm anticipating just breakout similar move. Okay, so if I'm gonna copy paste that move and gonna copy and paste that move here, very much similar like that move you are looking on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin to just continue to keep rising all the way up to 25k. We can get the idea that up to which level that can go. So if I'm gonna, let's say, gonna use that fib lines from there to there. Okay, so right now APT is just about to tag that 27. Okay, so the next breakout should tag that 2440. Okay, so the target is the 25. The target which I'm showing in the previous video analysis, the same, so 25. So why APT is being used with the Bitcoin? So it's just simply, if we compare that from that previous low that we have just done, APT is just, APT and Bitcoin both are just following each other. Okay, so we got a breakout on APT. All right, that's just leading us that we are, a Bitcoin is also setting up for a breakout for that next opportunity. Okay, so what you are watching is, as explained in the previous video analysis, that the floor, all right, so the 1 hour time frame floor or 1 hour time frame moving averages you are watching. So if I'm gonna remove that, you are watching where the green box is. Okay, so that's that we call that a risk taking entry, okay, at this area, and a breakout going to be over there, breakout entry going to be over there. So you're looking for that to hold and breakout for upside. Okay, and another thing which you are watching is the order book. All right, so sellers are still in control, we can see over there. So sellers are trying to make that correction bigger. Okay, but buyers are also building over there. Okay, so we got a lead from APT. All right, so that was the previous video analysis. And if I'm gonna look at the lower time frame simply, okay, so we got a breakout, the breakout which we were anticipating yesterday. So if I'm gonna simply pull out moving averages, price broke out, and didn't tag the 127 exactly. All right, and if I'm gonna pull out the APT on the other side, yesterday we were looking at the APT, and I'm gonna look at the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so APT has simply gone beyond that 27. Okay, we can see that the APT has gone beyond that 27. So we still see potential on the Bitcoin for the next leg higher. Okay, so if I'm gonna, right, so the next leg target is still, 25k target is still intact. All right, this 25k target is still intact. Yesterday we were expecting Bitcoin to break and hit through the, remember yesterday APT was somewhere there, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, Bitcoin has almost didn't tag the 27 like it did yesterday. All right, like APT was there. So we got the breakout. Okay, so if I'm gonna look at the lower time frame, right, so we got the bottom, we got the risk taking area, we got the next leg higher, the next leg which we were having over there before. So the point to note here is that we got a lot of sellers over there yesterday at these areas sitting over there, if you remember. Okay, so the order book which I have shown you. So if I'm gonna bring that back. So building, bring that back. Point. So there we can see. So yesterday we got a lot of sellers over there on Bitcoin, and which was sitting over there, you know, at the top. You know, those sellers are clear now. Okay, they already entered into the market, but they haven't, you know, reversed the trend, the trend which we are having over there for upside. You know, if I'm gonna close and look at that again. Okay, so these are the sellers. There we can see that the red candle which is just over there. So these sellers were sitting over there. They were trying to sell the Bitcoin and trying to reverse the trend. Okay, after once they sold, all right, Bitcoin did not reverse that trend. Okay, that trend is still intact, and those sellers just vanished. Okay, now we can see over there still, you know, APT is still in a strong trend. Okay, and the 25K target is still intact on BTC. So if I'm going to look at the order book now, okay, now order book is telling us that sellers which were there yesterday, okay, now they have gone, they vanished. All right, they are, you know, putting their target. I mean, those, I mean, some sellers are sitting over there at the 25K. We can see over there 24. All right, but the sellers which were there at this area yesterday, sitting over there and trying to force the price to the downside, they vanished. You know, you can see that the buyers are building over there. Okay, buyers are fully intact for the bullish trend. Okay, so if I'm gonna look at the price which you are trying to watch again for the next you know, analysis, for the next setup, is going to be on the 2-hour time frame, where you're gonna see the chart much clearer. Okay, there. So this is what you are watching now. Price to, again, if it is going to visit that, first of all, you are looking at to just continue, all right? But if it doesn't, and its price is going to visit this previous low again, okay, then you are looking this expanding triangle. Let me remove that and draw it correctly, okay? Then you are looking for this expanding triangle, which is just building over there, price to hold, and next leg to continue to keep pushing more higher. Okay, so we are still in a correction. We got a breakout, but that breakout did not continue. All right, we got a different shape now. We got, you know, expanding triangle right now. Before that, we got a contracting triangle. Now we got an expanding triangle. Okay, now you're watching this floor again, and the next leg is the 25K target. Okay, and once price gonna hit the 25K, where there you need to pay attention. Either we're going to see another leg lower, or we are going to see break up. Okay, the double bottom chart. Okay, so that's the analysis. Update date is there on lower time frame. Now watch, and we'll see you back again in another analysis. Until then, bye.